discs always deliver excellent pictures, and you can have a fantastic viewing experience in home theaters. However, they are not convenient as streaming. Some movie fans might wonder whether Blu-ray discs can be ripped to mainstream formats without losing quality. The answer is yes. Here, I will show you how to rip Blu-ray discs with ease. Just stay tuned for more tips. To complete this, you need a professional Blu-ray ripping tool. VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper is a highly rated software that removes any Blu-ray protection and maintains lossless video and audio quality. Insert your Blu-ray disc into the drive and launch the VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper. Then, click the plus icon to load Blu-ray disc or folder in a batch. Tap the Rip All to option to select the output format. Mainstream formats such as MP4 and MOV are provided.
If you select lossless or MKV, the video will be kept at a 1:1 ratio of lossless quality.
You can also customize the audio track and subtitles according to your needs. Remember to go to the Save to section and choose where to save your ripped videos. The final step. After confirming your settings, hit the Rip All icon to start converting Blu-ray discs to high-quality digital video files. The speed can reach 6x faster. Better still, VideoByte BD-DVD Ripper also possesses a built-in video editor allowing you to beautify your videos so that you can get the most satisfying file. Plus, the tool can rip all types of DVD discs. It is the only software on the market supporting DVD or Blu-ray ripping. Just a piece of cake, right? Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DVD-related tips. Thanks for watching!